Teachers often tell me they just want a basic whiteboard app. So what I'm going to show you is the Microsoft Whiteboard app, which is in preview mode. You can get it from the Microsoft Store. And the example I'm going to use is something that came up the other night when there was a great tweet from Microsoft that I just felt was like a mic drop moment. And because of that, I wanted to draw an icon of a Microsoft drop, except I can't draw. So what I did for that was I used OneNote and I drew it and put an image down, drew it on top of it, and then removed the image behind it, therefore creating this. But what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Microsoft Whiteboard to do something similar. If I go back, I'm going to create a new whiteboard. At the bottom next to the ruler tool, you have a little plus sign, and it has a Bing image search, which is really cool, except for today it doesn't seem to be working, which is why this is a preview, a beta mode. So instead, I'm going to go to Image, and I'm going to grab a microphone image that I had already saved to my desktop. I can also take that microphone image and make it larger or smaller, whatever will work, and now I'm ready to start drawing. I'll grab the black pen at the bottom and start coloring in the microphone. And let's make this microphone colorful. So I'm going to grab a color there. Again, don't judge my drawing, please. There we go. And just draw the lines quickly. And then if I had all the colors I needed, I could do a little Microsoft logo there. And that gives you an idea of what you can do. The accessibility tools that are built into all of the Microsoft products are pretty amazing, and they haven't left them out here either. So I can use my lasso tool, select my object, and you see now I have a text box where I can add alt text for someone using a screen reader who has visual impairment. That also comes in handy. If you'll notice at the top there are a few other buttons, connected and syncing, that's good. And you'll notice there's a little people button. I could invite someone via email or a URL to participate, or I could export the image, which would be handy. Now I'm going to open a new slide and show you a couple more tools. So I'll just go to Create New Whiteboard. Down in the bottom corner, you're going to see a gear. I'm going to make sure the ink to shape and ink to table are on and watch what happens. I'm going to draw a triangle, not a great one, but you'll notice ink to shape corrects it for me. The other feature is ink to table. So I'm actually going to draw a large square. Now let's see if it'll, there we go. And as you can see, it's creating, oops, this I'm having a little trouble with, but you get the idea of how you could create a table pretty quickly by using the ink to table. Again, this is in preview mode, so there are some beta features, and I'm sure we'll continue to see more as it moves along. And you can also send feedback to the feedback hub at the bottom.